What's up mga boss, and welcome to another Boss Rap Rap Food Vlogs. For this video ay nandito tayo sa Tongyang Unlimited Grill and Shabu Shabu dito sa bago nilang branch sa Gateway Mall 2, Araneta City, Cubao, Quezon City. So nandito kami para i-celebrate yung birthday ko with my office mates. They have a variety of seafoods and meats na pwede nyo pagpilian for grilling. May iba't ibang noodles at sabaw din sila na pwede nyo pagpilian para sa inyong shabu-shabu. They also have sushi, tempura, pansit, at iba't ibang klaseng desserts. Unlimited din ang beer nila dito. At yung mga fruit juice nila, 788 ang rates nila pag weekdays, 838 naman pag weekends at holidays. Libre naman ang mga batang 3 feet below. Libre ka din pag birthday mo basta may kasama kang 1 full paying adult. At kung birth month mo naman ay dapat may kasama kang 4 na full paying adults. So kung mahilig ka rin sa unlimited grills at shabu-shabu, Tongyang is one of the restaurants that you can consider to celebrate your birthdays. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. Ciao!